Okay, so this is about to happen. I lost Headphone Karaoke on Friday, had the least amount of votes. I spun the wheel of consequences and now have to put my face in Badger's box fan. I'm a little nervous now.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, can we just like turn it on to low? How about low?
Okay,
I'm gonna hold the fan.
Okay.
so that's low.
Okay, well, how about like stick your finger in it or something just to see? I think that we should keep it on low.
You don't think we should do it on high?
Here's
medium.
This is safe.
Medium's pretty intense. That's my fingertip. And high. All right.
Oh wow.
I'm going in on high. Yeah.
Why? Why? Chris!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna go cheek first.
No.
I'm going cheek first, Nina. Oh my god. I can't. Hang on. Hang on.
He can't.
Let's not. You don't have to do it.
No, yes I do.
No, you don't.
I have to do it, Nina.
No,
I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it.
It's fine.
Here we go. Oh my god.
Oh my god, turn it off!
Oh my god.
Let me see your face. Come here. Come here. Are you bleeding? Oh my god.
I'm alright, huh? That stung. I'm not gonna lie. That stings.
So, do you remember that scene from Tommy Boy?
Not so much here or here, but right here
Stings.
Oh my god. Badger didn't even say anything.
I don't even know.
You were
Do
close
not
to
try
it.
this at home.
Do not try this at home.
Ow!